Even with today's technology of digital devices and watches, wall clocks continue to be bought and displayed almost everywhere. Although most aren't used for their original purpose, clocks are essential when it comes to decorating a home or office. Because people use clocks as furniture, there was an increase in demand. People started to look for different designs with a range of styles and colors, leading to an increase in production. This inevitably had an impact on the environment. After analyzing the process tree of this product, we realized that there was a lot of energy, multiple materials, manufacturing processes, and distribution methods used that were harmful to the environment. An average clock is made up of plastic, metal, and batteries. Plastic is derived from the substance like natural gas, petroleum, and coal. It is composed of elements such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and chlorine. Other additives are included as well, most of which are toxic chemicals like lead, mercury, and benzene. These toxins are often synthesized in a lab, but in order to get their original organic elements, they have been extracted from the earth. Once the oil is extracted, pipelines, trains, trucks, and other methods of transportation are needed to move the oil, releasing tons of CO2 emissions. Unforeseen outcomes like oil spills and excess carbon emissions are present throughout every step of the transportation process, from the fracking site to the oil refinery to plastic production facilities, and then finally from these facilities to the stores in which the plastic products are purchased. Metals are the second most used materials in clocks. Mining and metal casting and other industrial processes contribute to metal emissions to the air. And lastly, the batteries used to activate the clocks had environmental drawbacks as well. They contain toxic and require lots of energy to manufacture, which means high green gas emissions. Out of 15 billion batteries thrown away each year, only 5% are recycled. The rest end up in landfills. This is detrimental to the environment as it not only prevents valuable resources from being recycled, but it allows toxic substances like cadmium and lead to enter the environment. Clock packaging consists of an additional layer of soft plastic inside a box, causing more environmental harm. Not only is the production of clocks damaging, disposing of them is too. Clocks are also considered e-waste, which should not be in landfills because they contain chemicals that would harm the environment as well as the health of humans. But according to the Environmental Protection Agency, more than 9 million tons of furniture and house decors go to landfills every year, clocks being one of them. To solve these issues, we came up with Timeless, a minimalistic, stylish, and most importantly, eco-friendly clock. A clock perfect for your home and for the environment. Timeless is made of 3 materials: corks, solar panels, and LED lights. The body is made of cork, one of the most sustainable products in the world. Cork is natural, sustainable, renewable, and good for the environment. It's harvested from living trees that will continue to grow and reproduce cork. Cork is flexible and resilient, reverting to its original shape after sustaining pressure. If left uncoated, cork is naturally fire resistant and it doesn't release toxic gases when it does burn. Cork is nearly impermeable, so it does not absorb water or rot. It is also extremely light, so it requires less energy to ship. Timeless uses light to tell time. LED lights are known for their environmental credentials. LEDs consume a fraction of the power used by traditional incandescent bulbs and have exceptional longevity, lasting up to 25,000 hours. Most of an LED's environmental impact is incurred during its use. Best of all, LED lights are recyclable. The aluminum and plastic energy of focus LED tubes go to commercial recycling plants to be broken down and turned into something else. The LED lights in Timeless will be powered by solar panels. Solar power is a 100% clean, renewable energy source. It reduces reliance on oil, coal, and natural gas for electricity production. They are also recyclable. Some of them even reach 96% recycling efficiency. The recycling process starts with disassembling the actual product to separate aluminum and glass parts. Almost all of the glass can be reused, while external metal parts are used for remolding cell frames. These stylish clocks will be delivered to your home in a cardboard box, one of the most organic, ethical, and reusable packaging solutions out there. Timeless is a modern clock that will make an interior space more elegant, and best of all, it's made with sustainable materials, all of which can be recycled.